Hi, can you help me today? My channel will get more views and more opportunities for people to click on my videos if you do one thing for me. Can you give me a thumbs up on a video that you like? Look around at my channel, find a video that is your favorite, and give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and then write a comment about why you love it, and that will help in the YouTube algorithm to make my video more viewed when people do searches. It will make it a little more popular. Just if you tell YouTube that you like my videos, then other people will get a chance to like my videos. So will you do that for me? And if you've made it this far in my video, I am going to show you something terrible. Look at all that laundry. I am procrastinating putting all my laundry away. So, will you comment on this video about how much I really need to do my laundry so that I get around to it? Thanks for helping. Bye.